Microsoft was rumored to be working on a Surface phone since at least 2016. Microsoft Surface Duo is that device. It's a dual-screen, foldable Android smartphone tablet hybrid. As such, it's a different proposition to existing foldables. What is Surface Duo? At last October's Surface launch event, Microsoft Chief Product Officer Panos Panay demonstrated how the device can do everything you'd expect from a modern smartphone and tablet. For instance, you can use it to play with apps and make calls, and it can even fit in your pocket. However, Panay said the company doesn't view the new Surface Duo as a smartphone despite its ability to be used for calls. Microsoft wants this to be an entirely new type of device, capable of acting like the company's existing 2-in-1 Surface devices yet pocket-sized. We've heard Microsoft say the screen is 4.8 mm thick, so folded together it'll be 9.6 mm. While that's thicker than most flagship phones, it's still decent. However, we can see some criticism on the horizon for the thick bezels at the top and bottom of the screens. Surface Duo software. Surface Duo runs Android, albeit a heavily skinned version of Google's mobile operating system that actually reminds us of Windows 10X that will be coming to some other dual-screen Windows devices. It appears to offer access to standard Android apps, presumably via the Google Play Store, and will even let you place or accept calls. However, while Microsoft's own apps will work seamlessly with the dual screen, it remains to be seen whether other developers will make their own apps compatible. Apparently, Microsoft is now running the Android development in-house after originally contracting the work elsewhere through a third-party Movil. As of July 2020, Microsoft has now acquired Movil, so has been working to bring many of its employees in-house. Surface Duo displays. The Surface Duo looks a lot Microsoft's larger dual-screen Windows 10X powered Surface Neo, but it's more pocketable. It features two 5.6-inch screens and can rotate on a 360-degree hinge so that it works as an 8.3-inch tablet. The device can fold together to protect the screens, or open up so that both screens can be simultaneously used. You can even have the device closed with one screen facing out, like a phone. The displays have a 4:3 aspect ratio like other Surfaces. Each display can run two different apps at the same time. You can even use one of the displays as a keyboard or game controller. Both screens will support Surface Pen, so we guess that may magnetically attach to the outside. Surface Duo hardware. The Surface Duo prototype featured a Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 processor, but we believe it will use the newer Snapdragon 865 in the final version. Keep in mind the Surface Duo is in preview. Many features and specs have yet to be confirmed. Other specs have since leaked, such as 6 GB of memory and dual 64 and 256 GB storage sizes, but these remain officially unconfirmed. It's also reported to have a sizable 3640 mAh battery, though it will need to be, as it has to power two displays. While there will be a SIM card slot, reportedly for 4G, though we reckon it'll be 5G, we believe there won't be an SD card reader or other expandable storage. It's reported there will be a fingerprint reader though. Charging and data connectivity will be via USB-C. The device is in active testing at the moment ahead of launch. We don't yet have a price, and that will likely determine the device's success.